Automatic oatmeal weighing, filling, capping, labeling, sealing, packing, machine line. Solid product combination weighing, filling system. It adopts deceleration lifting motor. Automatic feeding control system when material is missing and the bucket type lifting mechanism is completely closed. Non-polluting, no leakage, feeding, weighing, filling, and full automation control. Suitable for all kinds of granules and solid materials. Weight detection machines and metal detectors automatically reject defective products. Automatic dual-head plastic jar screw capping machine with automatic lid feeding device. High degree of automation, saving labor costs and improving production efficiency. Automatic three-side labeling machine, intelligent control, automatic photoelectric tracking. With no object, no labeling, no standard automatic calibration, and automatic label detection. Electromagnetic induction aluminum foil heat sealing machine. This machine is suitable for aluminum foil seals such as edible, medical, cosmetic, and daily round bottles, square bottles, and shaped bottles.